The Weekend in Jacksonville with Dan Hicken is presented by Millennium Physician Group, your connection to a healthier life.
What's up, Jacksonville? It's your favorite media mogul, Dan Hicken, ready to give you this weekend's rundown of all things Jacksonville sports. As always, let's start with our Jacksonville Jaguars. Oh, mandatory mini camp is over. You know what that means? That means the guys now have about 6 weeks off between now and the start of training camp. That means we're that much closer to football, and there are obviously lots of changes and time to get excited. We've got Urban Meyer as the head coach. We've got Trevor Lawrence in Jacksonville, FLA, and how he performs will ultimately determine how this franchise goes forward. Can he be the guy that we hope? We think he can. But are there enough pieces around him? Maybe not this year. That remains to be seen. But a lot of work to be done for Urban Meyer, for the coaching staff, and for this Jaguars football team. They got to protect Trevor Lawrence. Last year, the quarterbacks in Jacksonville got sacked 44 times. That simply cannot happen. They've got to play better defense. Joe Cullen, the defensive coordinator, thinks they'll get more than the 18 sacks they got all of last year. Let's hope he's correct. All right, let's talk a little college football. Baseball and softball are over. Well, the College World Series is still going on, but let's talk about college football because there's a growing movement that there's going to be a different kind of college football playoff, and maybe as early as 2022 or 23. Instead of 4 teams, 12 teams. Now, personally, I don't care how many teams there are. I just want it to be determined how you get into the playoff. In other words, I want someone to tell you, as a fan of your football team, if you win the SEC, you are in the college football playoff. That usually happens, but it's not written in stone. If you win your conference, you are in the college football playoff. I want it to be determined in that respect, and then you can take 4, you can take 8, you can take 12, you can go 16, however you want to do it. Let's do it. It's going to be a huge moneymaker, but listen, it's a changing world out there, and the student athletes, they're going to want their cut as well. I want to highlight one local product, and that's Bowles grad Hunter Barco, and current Gator baseball player. He's one of 48 players to be on this summer's collegiate national team. Had a great year in Florida, pitched real well in the SEC competition, went 10-3 on average, just more than 7 strikeouts a game. And also, congrats to Caleb Dressel and Ryan Murphy, 2 local products. One from Clay, one went to Bowles, and both have qualified for the Olympics, so we'll be watching them in Tokyo later this summer. That's all we got today, ladies and gentlemen, so do yourself a favor. Kick back, enjoy Jacksonville in the summertime, and we'll see you next time on Jacksonville's Weekend in Sports.